Sir Allan, no? Same with the model natin tinuta kanina, yung ating stairs, wider, and meron siyang mga strip lights.
And of course, as we've entered here dito sa master's bedroom, no? Very spacious, spacious again, no?
Sir Allan. So mapapansin nyo, iba naman din yung design ng kanyang master's bedroom ni Melcon. So lahat ng cabinets niya is nandito naman sa side. Then ganyan kahaba yung kanyang study table, extra table.
So pag talaga halimbawa nakahiga ka dito and then gusto mong kumain din.
Pwede rin, sir. Yes, so then yan, additional storage din yan actually. Then dito naman kanyang TV and yung TV console. Heated panel. Then siyempre meron din siyang sariling hotel light bulb.
Gusto ko yung hotel vibe na
sir,
toilet and bathroom.
Mga pa-hotel feels yan. Bedroom 1, Sir Allan, sa Melcon. So ganun din siya.
Pang kiddie vibe naman sila, no?
Sir,
so perfect talaga sila when it comes to
sa mga nag-start na family, nag-growing up, yan, ideal talaga siya.
And of course, from the last bedroom.
This is the bedroom 2, Sir Allan. So yun, ito naman is for the boys naman. Pag gusto nila yung room na to, saktong-sakto din para sa kanila. Kompleto din siya, study table, mga LED lights natin, pin lights, cabinets, TV, yan, ganyan na ganyan. So yun, Sir Allan, what can you say about the Melcon model?
So sa Melcon model, it has really a different layout and vibes,
Yes,
no? Since meron siyang division to its living and dining.
Yes.
And pinaka-favorite ko dito yung sa dirty kitchen niya na meron siyang access with your clean kitchen.
So,
parang chef vibes nga siya. And yun, sobrang ganda ng layout din niya.
then aside from that, yung kanyang access sa side door.
Yes. And the most exciting part to our house tour today is the price, diba?
Yes,
So, most of our viewers and potential clients are really curious kung how much ba to since it's already a fully furnished house and lot package with the, with the design, the furniture,
Everything,
the
yes.
appliances, curtains, everything is already included.
Bed frames.
Mag-move in na lang talaga, diba? So, how much is the starting price natin ba?
So for Madonna residences, we have a 3 phases here. So we have the phase 3, phase 2, and phase 1. So for now kasi, Sir Allan, yung phase 3 natin is sold out na.
So ganun kabilis?
Ganun kabilis. Since we started last year lang. So now, phase 3 is sold out. Ngayon sa phase 2 naman namin, almost 60 to 70 sold na siya. So from that price point kasi, ang starting natin doon for the Melcon or lahat ng ano natin is ranging 7.350 and above. So depende pa kung anong specific block and lot yung kukunin nyo. Especially if you're eyeing for a corner lot. Yes, Sir Allan. For the corner lot kasi may mga different naman yung price natin doon. And also may mga price din for the excess lot. Kasi ang standard natin is 164. Yung bahay, yung inikutan natin, this is 164. Sa mga corner lot kasi meron tayong 177, meron nga 290. So pagka ganun, meron tayong corresponding na price for the excess lot.
So that's why you have to message us for more information and we're more than happy to guide and help you from the ocular visit to the documentation and even sa pag-apply ng loan for the bank, no? So up to turnover ng fully furnished house and lot, no? And again, feel free to message us with this number and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yun nga, again, I am Allan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in Marquez Realty, where we find homes.